A story of an elephant family in the African savannah. Once upon a time in the African savannah, there lived an elephant family consisting of a mom, dad, and their playful little baby elephant. One day, as they were ambling through the grasslands, the baby elephant saw a large puddle of mud and got excited. Without any hesitation, the baby elephant ran towards the puddle and started splashing around in the mud. The mom and dad elephants, hesitant at first, but they saw how much fun the baby was having, decided to indulge their little one and join in the muddy fun. The mom elephant was the first to step into the mud, but she quickly realized that it was much deeper than she anticipated. She struggled to move her feet, and before she knew it, she was stuck in the mud. The dad elephant twatched his wife with a twinkle in his eye, amused by her predicament. "Need a little help, my dear?" he chuckled. The mom elephant glared at him. "Very funny. Now give me a hand." The dad elephant tried to help his wife out, but he too got stuck in the mud. Now they were both stuck, and the baby elephant was the only one left standing. The baby elephant, who was still having the time of its life in the mud, saw its parents stuck and started laughing hysterically. "You guys look like big muddy statues," it said between giggles. Despite their predicament, the mom and dad elephant couldn't help but laugh at themselves, and their baby's playful teasing only made the situation more endearing. Eventually, after much effort and some assistance from the calf, the elephant family managed to pull themselves free from the mud. They continued on their walk, mud-caked and muddied, but with a renewed sense of joy and playfulness. From that day forward, the elephant family became known as the Mud Dwellers among their fellow savannah inhabitants. But they didn't mind, as long as they were together and able to find joy in the simple pleasures of life. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the elephant family in the video. I appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.